Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the database file and Dbeaver open. Now start the connection flow. First, choose Database then New Database Connection so you begin in the correct wizard. Once the list appears, pick Sqlite because it maps to single-file databases and lightweight testing. Make sure the file path is accessible and not on a network share that could lock it. Then click Next. This begins the driver and path configuration that actually links Dbeaver to your Sqlite file. Now configure the driver and exact file path so Dbeaver can talk to Sqlite. If Dbeaver prompts for a driver, click Download or add and attach the Sqlite JDBC. jar. This is required for communication. Next, set the database file to your DB path and pick encoding. Test the connection to confirm success. Once the test passes, tweak useful properties like read-only if needed, cache size for performance, or busy timeout in milliseconds to avoid lock errors. Finish the wizard to create the connection and open the SQL editor. This launches a session for queries and browsing. Run a simple select one or pragma table info, your table, to verify access, then explore tables and export or import as needed. If something goes wrong, first make sure the file isn't locked by another process and that permissions allow read or write. Also confirm the JDBC driver matches your Dbeaver version. Updating the driver usually resolves most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.